welcome back to our channel. In this brand new episode, we are going to share our honest review of the recently launched laptop Acer Aspire 7. Is it the best all-rounder budget gaming laptop at the 50k price range? Let's find out. Watch till the end to know everything about the laptop, what we liked and what we didn't. Without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, talking about the specs, we have the Acer Aspire 7 charcoal black model which was launched in May end 2020. It comes with an Intel i5 9th gen processor, 8GB DDR4 RAM, Nvidia GTX 1650 GPU with 4GB DDR6 graphics along with Intel graphics as well, and 512GB SSD. We have got this performance beast at a price roughly around 50k on Flipkart after applying some credit card offers. Is it worth it? For those who are waiting for a short answer, absolutely yes, but with some compromises. And for those who want to know everything, let's talk about it. What we like. First things first, price. For the same specifications which this laptop offers, other models charge an extra 10 to 20,000 rupees. You could rather use that extra amount to upgrade this laptop further with expanded RAM and storage. Design. The laptop has a clean and elegant look. Although the body is made of plastic, it looks premium with a brushed metal touch. It looks so much better in reality than in images. There aren't any sharp edges or fancy RGB elements like red lights in the design or in backlighting, so serious gamers may get disappointed. You get the full-sized white backlit keyboard with numpad as well, and the typing experience is great. Well, we prefer this clean, white backlit keyboard and elegant design of the laptop which we can use for gaming, editing and for office use also. And even the bottom of the laptop is see-through to some extent. You can see the fans and the copper cooling mechanism. It looks cool as if it's a translucent design where you can see the internals. But some might even worry about the dust and water entry into the laptop. So it's all about your personal preferences when it comes to design. Performance. Well, coming to the performance, it's a beast with a CPU clock speed of 2.4 GHz with turbo boost up to 4.1 GHz. Now combine that with an SSD. The boot time, app opening time, file read and write speeds, games and everything feels so snappy. We have tried games like GTA 5, NFS and we haven't experienced any lag or frame drops. Applications like Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects also ran smoothly with faster renders. Thanks to SSD and GPU acceleration, we made this entire video on it and haven't observed any issues. Display. The best thing about this laptop, apart from the performance, is its display. It has a 15.6-inch IPS display with full HD resolution. The colors look slightly punchy, which is an added benefit for gaming, and the viewing angles are also great. There aren't any glare issues and looks cool with the matte finish. It has a screen to body ratio of 81.61% with narrow bezels. We absolutely loved the display. There's one more thing which we liked. The display can bend backward to 180 degrees which can lay flat on any surface. Ports. There are sufficient ports to make your overall experience better. On the left side, you have two USB 3.2 ports, one USB Type-C port, HDMI port and LAN port. Coming to the right side, you have the charging port, one USB 2.0 port and a 3.5mm audio jack. I am glad that laptops still have it, unlike many so-called smartphones. Other features. Fingerprint scanner. You can add your fingerprint to unlock your laptop anytime without using any password or PIN. This is what makes the laptop experience feel even snappier. It's super fast and reliable. Once you click the power button, within 5 seconds you can get into your system and get your things done. You can even add multiple fingerprints. Touchpad gestures, Bluetooth 5.0, dual band Wi-Fi 6 all work as marketed. What we didn't like. If you are planning to get this laptop, you should be ready to compromise on a few things. Sound. The sound levels are mediocre and you would be definitely needing headphones or speakers. To compare, smartphones sound better than this one. So to enjoy your gaming and editing experience, we recommend you to get an alternative audio arrangement. Battery. With its 48 watt hours 3-cell lithium ion battery pack, Acer claims 10-hour battery runtime. Flipkart shows up to 8.5-hour runtime, but if you are a gamer, you already know how the average gaming laptop battery life would be. Moreover, it's known that gamers play with their charger plugged in. But for other users, the battery life is average and can get you around 4 to 5 hours. The battery charger brick is little heavy and the 0 to 100% charge time is around 1 hour in idle mode. Camera. The camera is of 720p resolution and the image quality is okay. I haven't seen anybody taking their pictures with their laptop camera and posting them on Instagram, so I think it's okay. Optical disk drive and memory card slots are missing. They might have removed the disk drive to reduce weight and form factor, but they could have added the memory card slot. It weighs around 2.15 kg though, considerable for a gaming laptop. Overall, the pros cover up the cons pretty well, and still it's a bang for value product. Few things to add though. Thermals. We haven't found any extreme heating issues as of now. In regular usage, the laptop handles everything with a breeze. When you launch any power-demanding games and applications, the laptop gets a little hot and the fans turn on. This temperature is common for all gaming laptops. Whenever the fans turn on, you can hear mild noise and is negligible. Moreover, you can undervolt your laptop and can reduce a few more degrees of heat. Undervolting also improves the laptop's battery life and the overall aging of the laptop in the long run. By undervolting, you are reducing the voltage to the processor, which helps in maintaining lower temperatures so that CPU runs smoothly without any performance degradation. In some cases, it may improve performance also. Do check out videos on undervolting and try it out. Anyone can do it and it is safe if you know what you are doing. Upgrade your RAM and storage. If you are a normal user who uses it for watching movies, social media and browsing, the laptop straight out of the box will suffice. But if you are a serious gamer, programmer or editor, we recommend you to upgrade your RAM for that extra boost in your workflow. To check for the available RAM slots, open the Task Manager and you can find the memory option in the Performance tab. Here you have all the information related to your RAM. This laptop has 2 slots and can upgrade up to 32 GB. When it comes to storage, you can upgrade up to 1 TB SSD. But we know how costly SSDs are. We recommend you to use the internal SSD for OS and games so that there isn't any lag. And for other videos, music and files, you can use any external hard disk to cope up with the storage and cost issues. For us, after installing GTA 5 and Adobe tools, we are left with 310 GB. We are using our external 1.5 TB hard disk for all other purposes. The laptop compatible RAM and external hard disk links are given in the description box below. OS. There is no DOS version of this laptop to save an extra 4000. It comes with pre-installed Windows 10 Home Edition and a free 1-month subscription for Microsoft Office 365 and Norton Antivirus. Also, there is no caps lock or numlock indication light in hardware, but it will notify you on display when you click those keys. Add-ons. In the box, you only get a laptop, charger and laptop related documents. Don't be disappointed if you are expecting a laptop bag or any other accessories. Hope this helps you and do comment if you want any further information, we will definitely respond. And also, we have crossed 250 subscribers milestone. Thank you for supporting us all the way. That's it for today guys, see you in the next one.